All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. This day is just getting better and better, y'all. I got a package in the mail, can't you see, and it is stuffed. It is so full, it's trying to blow out the sides, literally. It was like a projectile. Ow! Postman might be mad at me from that package right there. He could have caught a war wound right there. But okay, y'all, I know who this is from. Do y'all know who this is from? I know. I bet y'all want me to tell you. Well, hold on, I'll tell you. I'll even open it up and show you, because I haven't even opened it up yet. I know what it is, but I don't know what it is, but I do know what it is, so let's open it up so we can all know what it is. But first, this is from Robert C. Peters. Yes, sir. Mr. Robert sent me a goodie box, but goodness gracious, he taped this goodie box up. I'm not going to be able to get into this goodie box. Let's try to get into the goodie box without having to go get taped up ourselves. I got my old sharp pocket knife out right here. We don't want to get no boo-boos. As you know, we can't tell what we're doing half the time. So like I said, that's one thing y'all don't see me do, is do a lot of knife carving. I don't trust myself with a knife. No, sir, I don't. I have some carbon knives, and I've done some carving with a carbon knife, but it's supposed to be relaxing to carve and whittle, and I'm so daggum stressed out that I'm going to cut myself when I carve and whittle that I don't do the knife, because it's not relaxing. All right, y'all. I think I got all this tape whooped. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can use this for sure. I can. All right, y'all. This is Manzanita. Mr. Robert, look at that piece. Wow, oh, look at that piece. Good, look at the color on that. That is cool. Now, I know that's just under the bark, and this is just awesome. And yes, I will definitely be able to use that. That is cool. Oh, we gotta get on it before it dries out and splits on me. It's like that crepe myrtle. Crepe myrtle. This is how our crepe myrtle is down here. It's got that smooth bark on there. It's kind of papery like that. It's just too cool. Oh, see, we got to stabilize that. I can spin it, but I'm gonna have to soak and stabilize it so it don't blow on apart. Some of it's not got any split. This piece will be a good piece here. Catch it. Let's see. Try to keep the thickness in there, so catch it about right there and go from there. Oh yeah. That piece got a little separation where it's trying to check there. That's what's hard about getting wood and drying wood out and everything to use it is when it dries, it wants to split on us. It's just the nature of it. But this is awesome stuff here, so that I can cut this piece off right here and get these two pieces, because it's the way it bows. I have to take it there and get a piece there and get a piece there and keep the thickness in it. And the same with this. Yes. That is awesome, Robert. Thank you so much, sir. Y'all go check out Robert's channel. I'm gonna put a link for his channel in my description. Y'all need to go check it out. That guy does some awesome work. He's got some awesome little wood spirits that he carves. He's got some awesome pipes that he makes, and he has got some awesome artwork that he draws. And can't wait to start seeing some more of that awesome pyrography too. I guess we gotta let it get cold and start raining so he can slow down and do some pyrography. But dude, Robert, thank you so much, man. I can use this too for sure. I will use it. If I can't spin it the way it is, I will definitely hold on to it till I can stabilize it, and then I'll dang sure spin it then for sure. But there's 2 of them pieces will be used right away. But again, thank you so much, sir. Y'all go check out Robert's channel. Oh man, this is just too cool. But I'm gonna jump off here. So everybody, y'all stay awesome. Have an awesome day. And remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody. Thank you so much.